The function a equals 82.3 times e to the negative 0.004t models the population of Germany, A, in millions, t years after 2010. What was the population of Germany in 2010? Well, in 2010, t years after that would be t equals 0. And we know from the model that the value here in front of the expression that involves e is the population at time t equals 0. And that means that the population in 2010 was 82.3 million. The function a equals 82.3 e raised to the negative 0.004t models the population of Germany, A, in millions, t years after 2010. Is the population of Germany increasing or decreasing? Explain. Well, to determine whether it's increasing or decreasing, we need to look at the growth rate constant. The growth rate constant is the constant that is the coefficient of t. And that growth rate is equal to negative 0.004. Since it is negative, that indicates that the population is decreasing. The function a equals 82.3 e raised to the negative 0.004t models the population of Germany, A, in millions, t years after 2010. In which year will the population of Germany be 79.1 million? So what we will do here is substitute 79.1 for the value of A. So we have 79.1 is equal to 82.3 e raised to the negative 0.004t, and we wish to solve for t. First thing to do is divide both sides by 82.3. So we have 79.1 divided by 82.3 is equal to e raised to the negative 0.004t. We're solving for t, which is in the exponent, and so we need to take the log of each side. In particular, we'll say that the natural logarithm of 79.1 divided by 82.3 is equal to the natural logarithm of e raised to the negative 0.004t. The natural log of e to a power is simply equal to the power. So this is equal to negative 0.004t. Here I have rewritten the equation so we can continue to solve for t. So to solve for t, we divide by the coefficient of t on both sides. I'm going to write the t first. So t would be equal to the natural log of 79.1 divided by 82.3, all of that divided by negative 0.004. Using a calculator to evaluate the right-hand side, we find that t is approximately equal to 10. What that refers to is 10 years after 2010. So in other words, 2010 plus 10 more years, 2020, and that tells us that the population of Germany would be 79.1 million in the year 2020.